Christmas songs are on, yay! I wrote a Christmas song. Broken the handle again. Good afternoon, everybody. My voice is slowly coming back. Boo to some people, but yay to me. It is Friday the 5th of November. It is Bonfire night, Guy Fawkes night, or whatever you want to call it. So we're having a nice cosy evening in. Might sit in the deck in, outside, the heat lamp on, and watch everybody else's fireworks. And then if it gets a little bit cold and a bit noisy, we're going to sit in the bar and chill out in there and have some fun. So I've got some pulled pork cooking in the slow cooker. So we're going to have that with some Indian flatbreads and some coleslaw. And then we have some...
Very naughty but nice, let me show you.
This M&S sticky ginger pudding. And I have some clotted cream to go with that. That would be nice. Excuse my hair. I've been hat shopping. Me and Holly always share hats and we're running a bit low. Well, some of them just got a bit bitty and a bit old. We just get sick of seeing them. So I've got a bunch of hats here. Mix and match and see what suits us on what particular day. We're gonna pick the kids up in a minute and start our evening. Oh, and I've got some mulled wine to warm up as well.
A few moments later.
Look at that.
So I've just warmed this through.
Nice. Mulled wine.
You're making crackling, aren't you, Dad?
I am indeed.
Is just messing the oven up?
She's just in there.
Just ordered and put some fire over it.
So it's just, you can't see anything, but it's in there anyway. As soon as I open that, it'll all steam up. So I'll vlog those when.
We've got the pulled pork to put in the oven soon.
Okay.
That's going in the next big pot. That's over there. There we go.
Cool.
How cozy. Fireworks. We need that heater on, Dad. Chris, even. We'll call you Dad when the kids out.
Goes with the blanket. Take that as a no.
One wrote out then. Cozy. Cozy little area. I might sit in here actually. Obviously not because the heat's over here.
Yeah.
Well done. We're comfy cozy.
I've lost Mum's hat.
No, sorry, not one of the new ones. One of my old ones, which hence the reason I bought some more hats today, because I thought Holly's going to lose them at this rate. We're going to need plenty.
I'm getting beating and I'm not happy about
No,
it.
she no. Anyway, Holly and Teaser, I said Ben then. Ben's changed. Holly and Teaser have come out to join us. Teaser wasn't too happy inside because he could hear the banging and popping from the fireworks. And I think he thought we'd gone out and got hurt because we disappeared onto the decking. So we brought him out here. So you can see we're all fine. It's cozy. It's like being in a little chalet. I did bring the pan of wine out to save me going back in and out.
These are so crunchy and homemade pork scratchings.
They're really nice actually.
Oh.
I don't like them too soggy.
Right. Right. The skin has been in the cooker all day.
Slow cooker.
In the slow cooker, yeah. And you just cut the top layer off, stuck it on the top, some salt, vinegar, it dries it all up, put it in the oven for 25 minutes. Just cut them up into little bits anyway before you do that. Put them on a grill so all the fat drips off. And left with all these little crunchy gems.
You did put a bit of foil over because it was popping and splattering out of my lovely cooker.
They're gorgeous though. Proper pub grub.
It probably took more than 25 minutes in the end. I think probably about 50 minutes. Get ready. But you can tell by looking at them when they're done. Yeah. I'll taste it one. They're really nice. Me and Holly aren't massive fans of it, but that is really nice.
They are, aren't they?
I believe we forgot to vlog the food.
We always do that.
Anyway,
I'm still hungry.
we had these lovely Indian, like, they weren't naan breads, they were like a flatbread.
More of the wraps.
No. They were nice, weren't they, Ben?
Then if not, we would have made another
They were a
one,
substantial, wrap, like,
Meal.
yeah. They weren't as thick as a naan bread, but they weren't as thin as a wrap.
Is
They
there
were
any bread?
lovely. Put some bread in it to go with that. Ben's finished off the meat with some sauce. Want some bread? I'll get you some bread. Yeah, so anyway, it was lovely. The pulled pork was amazing, coleslaw, and these Indian
Where'd we go?
breads were absolutely amazing. Anyway, I'm going to go while Ben's faffing.
Tomorrow.
Wonder what it was then. So we're just on the way to Cineworld at the moment to go and see the film Eternals, and we'll let you know how it goes.
Good afternoon, it's now Saturday and Chris and the kids have gone to the cinema for a VIP special at Cineworld. So me and Teaser are having a nice relaxing afternoon. I'm still a bit nasally from my cold from last week, but it's on the mend now. So we've just been for a lovely autumn brisk walk. It was a bit windy out there, but it was really nice. It was all the leaves blowing on us and we've come into it's nice and warm. And I'm going to do some exercise today. I do them every day, but I'm just going to do them early in the afternoon as opposed to evening. So I'm going to go on the row machine, do my stretches and my weights and feel super fit, and then get into my gym jams early tonight. And me and Holly are going to watch Rocket Man. Ben might not want to watch it because Chris is going out tonight to a firework display. So I've promised Holly I will watch Rocket Man tonight because we had to forfeit it a few weeks ago. So we're going to have a cosy night in and dance along to Rocket Man. So I just had a little slight problem with my rowing machine. The handle fell off and it flew at the dog. I was like, row. Anyway, I fixed it. I've got to keep rowing. This end came off here and then this bit fell off, leaving that bit exposed. I'm thinking, where on earth does this go? Does it go inside this tube? Anyway, I figured it out. So obviously that slots over there and that goes back on. And then that end goes in there, which I can't do with one hand. So I'll go and put that on. As usual, Teaser sits by my legs wanting a fuss while I'm on the rowing machine. Christmas songs are on, yay! I wrote a Christmas song. Broken my handle again. So I've realised how I'm breaking the handle is because when I'm vlogging with my right hand, I pull this with the left hand, which then makes this little thing push this off the end. So no more vlogging while I'm rowing. Don't vlog and row. Lambard has just come on the MTV. I'm thinking, I recognise this song, Lambard. Have I ever heard this before? Holly playing a violin. Gotta say, I prefer Holly's version. Sorry, Lambada.
So what do we think about it, guys?
It was really good.
It was almost like the MC universe was resetting itself with little hints of the previous films as well. Without revealing too much, some really, really good parts in it. You need to listen to absolutely everything because they do drop a couple of Easter eggs halfway through. And things that they're talking about as well are just absolutely, you know, mind-blowing when it comes to MCU. So yeah, it's all in all a fantastic film. I love the way that they've got diversity in the whole thing. I don't mean the dance group from the UK. I mean, they've got a whole load of diversity. They've got gay relationships in there. They've got disability in there as well. It's just really, really good. So if you want to go and see it, highly recommend it. Eternals, and it's a long film as well, isn't it?
I didn't realise it was that long, even when I was watching it like at the end. I thought it was like 1 hour 40 minutes, ended up being 2.5 hours.
Yeah, so quite a long film, but well worth it as well. So lots of twists and turns, lots of twists and turns.
So as usual, I'm waiting for Holly. Yes, Teaser, he's getting annoyed as well. He's growling, he's like, not growling, he's already had cheese. We sat down having cheese and crackers, and we're waiting for Holly to join us so we can watch Rocketman. Excuse me first, I just had a shower. I am unnatural in the skin department. Teaser, you've had enough? He's growling because I'm talking to you guys and not Teaser.
Teaser. Cheese. Some cheese for the teaser. Spin. Did you guys see his trick? Look.
Just coming.
Ready? Spin. Spin. You can do it. All the way around. Good boy. Good boy. High five. Jump. His little circus.
Yeah,
Well,
just waiting for Holly. Hurry up, Holly. I'm going to press play on Rocketman. I'm going to watch it without you. My cheese and crackers are going cold.
Some popcorn.
Bring it in after. Oh, Holly's brought some popcorn back from the VIP cinema screen thing.
You told me to bring it back.
They were the only ones in. It was proper VIP this afternoon, so she brought me some. I even gave her some foil to put over anything she couldn't manage at the time to bring it back.
You saw the cineworld video. I don't know if it's in this video or another video as of right now, but you can see me trying to sneak out some popcorn.
I know we sat with blankets on. It's not cold in this house. You always ever see us with blankets on because it's cozy. I'm absolutely boiling. I'm going to have to rip this off in a sec. But it's just snug. When I was waiting for Holly, I was thinking to myself, why is it you're always waiting around for your kids? And all I could think of in my head was, I'm more of a fly by the seat of my pants girl. Or is it, I'm
So much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting and they had to hire a new one.
Or is it, I'm more of a fly by the seat of my pants kind of gal? Comment below if you know what film that phrase is from. Anyway, I just thought I'd add that because I can't stop saying it in my head now. I'm going to use that a lot. P.S. My sister will definitely know what film that's from.
So you can't see me because it's obviously pitch black at the moment, but the lovely fireworks are going off in the night sky. And it's a great display. It's been going for about 5-10 minutes already. And it's just superb. We're at the Easingwold Bonfire Fireworks display with YO1 Radio. But the fireworks are just superb, really are. As I say, you can't see anything until I come round here and get into the into here. There we go. That's where we are.
Having a pit stop because look at Teaser. He's just rolled over like a proper little geezer.
He just all of a sudden did that.
He's just like, I am comfy. So Dad's home, Chris is home.
Rosy faced. Ears
we're
are
all
burning.
rosy-faced.
A little bit croaky because I've been talking a lot on the microphone.
You've been presenting the firework display,
Yeah,
haven't you?
Easingwold fireworks. It was easy, I would say, about 2,000 people there, double the amount that were usually there on previous years. It was just a great event, really. I mean, obviously everyone coming out for the very first bonfire night for about 2 years, so it's just really, really good. And lots of happy faces and giveaways, and the fireworks were spectacular as well. About 10 minutes worth of a display.
Wow.
It's really good, so just can't wait to get off my feet because I've been on with it all
now
day long.
Chris is going to tuck into lovely wine and what we've left of the cheeses. It doesn't look much. There's a whole slab there, and there's a whole slab there, and there's a whole slab in the fridge as well. So if you want some more, there's some cheddar in the fridge. So
cool. Right, let me get to it.
Help yourself. We go back to Rocky Mountain, which we are still watching, by the way. We've been watching it for about 3 hours now, but we do keep stopping and starting and texting other people. You know, when things happen, you got to keep. The advantage is now that you can pause a film and get back to it.
Yeah.